Hi, welcome to my channel, The Cultural Classroom. My name is Allison and I've been a Spanish teacher for 8 years. In this video, you will learn about all of my favorite planning tools and accessories. I hope that you find it helpful in your planning journey. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, feel free to reach out to me in the comments below. If you are not subscribing yet to my channel, please hit the subscribe button below. If you like this video, of course, hit the like button and let me know that you like it. Now, on to the main show.
I choose to use a ring-bound system, a disc-bound system, and so this is actually one of my favorite planner choices, one of my goodies, which is the rings. And so these are the actual rings that you use. Now this is kind of awkward, like trying to coordinate putting this together on camera, but these are the rings, and you hole punch. The way that the hole puncher works, it's a special hole puncher. The paper grabs around the ring. And so then these are all similar, but they're larger rings. You can, for example, change the cover whenever you want. If you purchase a bundle where you get several covers, you can take off your cover, and this is what the hole punch system looks like. And then you can replace it with a different cover. Let's replace that cover with this cover. And like magic, you have a brand new cover. You've jazzed up your system. And that's all because of this ring bound system, or this disc bound system. Let's jump to September. And let's say you have your spread for your pacing guide, and then you write up your lesson plan. You could hole punch your lessons, like some of your sheets that you want to go with your lesson, and just fit them in here and keep them with this system, and take them with you to photocopy and whatnot. And so it's a really cool system. Actually, the hole punch is really intense. I went with the ARC system. I have the Happy Planner system as well. This actually is all working off of the Happy Planner system. But this is the ARC hole puncher. And the reason why I got this hole puncher is because I read the reviews online, and they said that this was a more stable hole puncher, and that it hole punched through laminate. And I have a laminator, and I laminated my cover. Another thing that I just think is an essential for planning for me is the washi tape. And so this is an example of me using it. I have some right here. This, I think, is actually the same one. And so I just love it to jazz up my pages, to make them look bright and cheery. I have other, not all of them are metallic. The ones that I actually have like a big bowl of washi tape that needs to be probably better organized. In the same vein as the washi tape is the X-Acto knife. The X-Acto knife I use to actually cut the edges so that it is exact. No pun intended. And so X-Acto knife, I'll actually open it up. It's just simply a blade. Definitely not kid friendly. So another thing that I think that is absolutely essential for a planner are tabs. Whether you want to just tab important information or important dates, or what you want to do, like in my planner, is to tab the months of the planner. And so that's what I did with my planner. You can actually see in my other one that I took the cover off of so I could show you guys how it worked. You can see that I tabbed all of the months, and it fits in with the style really nicely. You can use another color scheme if you want. You can use a more pop of color if you want to, especially with this one. I could see that being a nice color contrast. And so the tabs would basically orient you for the months, and you'd be able to find the months much faster that way. And the tabs, honestly, they were super inexpensive. And so great addition to your teacher toolkit and your planner toolkit. Alrighty, next we have my favorite part of the planning experience, which are stickers. I am obsessed with the Happy Planner system, and the Happy Planner system is the system that uses the disc-bound rings, and they also put out stickers. This is just a really small quantity of stickers that I have. I have a ton. I was picking out a few of my favorites for this video, and I was struggling hardcore. So I got this new one, this journaling one, and I really liked it because my planner is undated. So you can use my planner for infinity. You can use it forever. And because it's undated, you can use these really cool numbers for the dates, the months. So let's go to October, and I can kind of show you what that means. So let's see. I really like all of this gold. If you can't tell, if you watch the different videos, if you subscribe to this channel, you can kind of tell that I love gold. And so I'm not sure actually what day October 1st is. That's my dog in the background, but I'm not sure what day October 1st is. So Wednesday, it must be a Thursday. You can number all of your dates like that instead of writing them out, which is what I did. But I like writing mine out. I don't know. I like how my numbers look, so I don't mind writing my dates out. But some people might not like how their numbers look, so they might want to put stickers or something for their numbers. This botanicals was just is new, and I just think that is so beautiful. This little flower, this little flower. There we go. So we can, where can we put this? We can put this where I had the washi tape before. And now we're kind of coming together, right? We're kind of bringing this planner alive. It'd be nice if I could get a nice big flower to go over on the side. Okay, so some of you might be wondering, what paper is she using? Like, this is some really thick paper, and it really is. This is some thick paper. This is the pack of paper that I got. It's from Amazon, Hammer Mill. It's 32 pounds. It's been lasting me. I've printed up a couple of these books, these planners, and it's been lasting me. So I still have quite a bit of paper left, and I highly recommend this paper. It's been very good with color. It's been very good with the ink. Okay, back to the cover. In order to get this hard cover, You can go one of two routes. You can either print it on cardstock, or you can print it on regular paper and then laminate it. And that's actually what Erin Condren planners do. Let me show you an example. I have a couple of her planners from previous years, and I like to keep my planners because they have my pacing guides, and I can reference them. So this is an Erin Condren planner, and very beautiful. I will admit that. Very, very beautiful. But basically, it rips off as well. And if you look at it really closely, it's basically laminated paper. It's laminated paper, you know? So, you can do that yourself. I bought a laminator when I lived in Texas. Now I can't get these back on. I bought a laminator when I was in Texas for like 20 bucks. And I'm gonna try to find an inexpensive laminator for you guys and link it below so that you have a laminator. I just feel like every teacher should have their own little mini laminator, because you can laminate all sorts of things like index cards and just all sorts of things that you need for the class. These are the laminating sheets that I use. Staples, the hot laminating pouches. And so it just works where you just go in. It's so easy. And you just put your sheet inside of there, close it up, put it through the laminator, and voila, you've got it. If you're looking for some good pens to write with, I wrote in a non-bleed Sharpie pen, and it's a fine tip, if you can see that. I don't know if, there we go. And I adore this pen. I bought like 24 of these pens because I love them. I go through them so quickly because I just use them hardcore. And then these scribble pens, they come in like a pack of either 12 or 24, I don't remember. I love them so much that this is my second group of scribble pens that I've bought, and they are fine tip as well. Maybe they're a little bit more medium tip, but they're fine-ish tip, but fine enough for my purposes because I like to write fine tip. And those are the pens that I use that I will link as well. Planner, that's all the accessories that I love and that I use. I hope that you know, that kind of gave you some ideas for how you can integrate some stuff. All of this stuff I'm probably going to link from either Amazon, Michael's, Joann's, like just the usual suspects. And again, please, if you are enjoying these videos, please subscribe, or more like and give me a like, dale un like, por favor, please. And I just am enjoying this whole process of this whole planner making thing. It is like really addictive. It's so much fun. So yes, me and the planner, because now the planner's a person, we look forward to seeing you in the next video. Ciao.